The six properties of a genetic code are: genetic code is universal, means it is universally found in all living organisms. It is commonly present in all living organisms. Example, triple U triplet codon always codes phenyl alanine amino acid. Phenyl alanine amino acid in all organisms, but here exception is there. That is in mitochondria, in mitochondrium cell organelle, in respiratory apparatus cell organelle, or in chondriosome cell organelle. It is not universal, along with some protozoans. So, exception, see, excepting mitochondria and protozoans, the genetic code is universal. So, among all six properties of genetic code is universal property is exception in the mitochondria and some protozoans, few protozoans. And next property is the genetic code is triplet. Triplet in nature means the genetic code consists of a triplet codon. Genetic code made up of a triplet codon. It is the sequence of triplet codon is the sequence of 3 nitrogen bases or 3 nucleotides on mRNA, and it is particular or it is specific to the particular amino acid. We remember the codon present on mRNA specified to choose to particular amino acid without making mistake. Simple example, AUG codon, AUG triplet codon on mRNA always selects methionine amino acid, MET, methionine amino acid, important in eukaryotes, whereas in prokaryotes it codes N-formyl methionine amino acid, N-formyl methionine amino acid in prokaryotic organisms. Means totally the genetic code is triplet in nature, means it is made up of a triplet codon, never singlet codon, never doublet codon. That's why already I have told to you the triplet codon system of genetic code proposed by Marshall, Nirenberg and H.G. Corona was widely accepted. That is meaning for property name genetic code is triplet in nature. And next one is the genetic code is gamma-less. Genetic code is gamma-less, means the coded message present on the mRNA. We remember the coded message present on the mRNA is translated or decoded continuously without stop until it will reach us to one of the terminator codon. We remember the genetic code is gamma-less. Property meaning is the coded message present on mRNA is decoded or translated continuously without stop until it will reach us to the one of the terminator codon, stop codon, nonsense codon. Like the reading of a sentence continuously without punctuation mark comma. That is meaning of comma-less. Presence of comma, see, genetic code is comma. Without comma, genetic code is comma-less. So here, the full sentence, continuous reading of sentence without punctuation mark, the genetic code read from 5' to 3' direction over on the mRNA, on the surface of mRNA by the help of ribosomes by one triplet codon to next triplet codon, one codon to next codon, until the ribosome reaches to arrive to one of the terminator codon, any one of the terminator codon. That is the meaning of property name genetic code is comma-less. And next one is the genetic code is degenerative. Property name genetic code is degenerative, most important property, because based on this property, one of the theories is there, one of the hypothesis is there. That's why out of 6 properties, so this is one of the most important property. So yeah, the meaning of genetic code is degenerative form. Degenerative nature is most of the amino acids, so selected by, coded by more than one triplet codon. You remember, majority of amino acids in the cytoplasm of cell selected by, chosen by more than one triplet codon. That means some amino acids selected by 2 triplet codons, some amino acids selected by 4 codons, some amino acids selected by 6 codons, but never more than 6 codons. 7 codons or 8 codons or etc. Important, most important for git information, seed information. Some amino acids chosen by 2 codons, some amino acids selected by 4 codons, while some amino acids so selected by 6 codons, but never possibility of more than 6 codons. Say, this property, genetic code is degenerative property, was first introduced by 2 molecular biologists, that is Bernfield and Nyberg. Bernfield and Nyberg introduced the property name degenerative form. We remember the meaning for a property degenerative form is most of the amino acids selected by, chosen by more than one triplet. The number of amino acids are not equal to the number of sensible codons. For this property, number of amino acids not equal to, never directly proportional to the number of sensible codons, functional codons, because some codons, number of codons, 2 codons, so 4 codons, so 6 codons, so selected same amino acid. Best example, proline amino acid, valine amino acid, threonine amino acid, some amino acids selected by only 4 codons. While glutamine amino acid, aspargine amino acid, aspargic acid amino acid selected by only 2 codons. We remember glutamine amino acid, aspargine amino acid, aspartic amino acid, cystosin amino acid or cysteine amino acid selected by only 2 codons. While leucine amino acid, arginine amino acid and serine amino acid, most important, selected by 6 codons. Remember CUU, triplet codons names, no? CUU, CUC, CUA, UUA and UUG. You remember? CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG, UUA, UUG. All 6 codons selected by leucine amino acid. Leucine amino acid, very important. All these 6 codons codes the leucine amino acid during protein synthesis in the term of genetic code. Similarly, U, CU, UCC, U, CA, UCG, UCA, AGC and AGU, UCU, UCC, UCA, UCG, AGC and AGU codons codes serine amino acid. Serine amino acid, very very important. And similarly, listen here, AGC, AGC, sorry, U, C, GU, CGC, CGA, CGG, CGU, CGC, CGA, CGG, AGA and AGC, sorry, AGG. All 6 codons codes arginine amino acid. Arginine amino acid, very important. Listen here, among the 61 sensible codons of genetic dictionary, out of 61 functional codons of genetic dictionary, these 3 amino acids codes selects number of triplet codons, maximum number of triplet codons, many number of triplet codons, maximumly 6 codons. Whereas valine amino acid, proline amino acid, threonine amino acid codes only 4 triplet codons. Similarly, phenyl alanine amino acid codes only 2 triplet codons. That is UUU, UUC. These 2 codons select phenyl alanine amino acid. Means here, except methionine amino acid and tryptophan amino acid, UGG codon tryptophan amino acid, AUG codon methionine amino acid. Except these 2 amino acids, all 18 amino acids, remaining 18 amino acids select important 2 to 6 codons. That's why a number of amino acids less than that of 61 sensible codons of triplet codon system, because the property meaning of genetic code is degenerative. Means here, sometimes genetic code existed as degenerative form, nothing but a disappearance like that. Degenerative, disappearance like that is the meaning of property name of genetic code is degenerative. Very important. This property was first discovered by Bernfield and Nirenberg is the meaning for property. Genetic code is degenerative form. And next to the degenerative, one more property is the genetic code is initiator. Genetic code is initiator. See, the meaning of this property, genetic code is initiator, means within here the process of translation is initiated by initiator కూడా AUG. We remember the process of translation means decoding of mRNA into polypeptide chain, that is called translation. So the process of translation started by initiator codon AUG, because for the translation process listen here, AUG codon provide initiating signal, start signal. That's why in the genetic code system AUG is the start codon, never start codon, start codon, because genetic code is initiator. So yeah, the process of translation started by initiator codon AUG, which codes methionine amino acid. But important, in case AUG is absent, be remember, if AUG is absent on mRNA, then GUG acts as initiator codon. Be remember this point. If AUG is absent, GUG triplet codon acts as a initiator codon, which codes valine amino acid. Important. That's why GUG codon also referred as, also known as rare initiator codon. Important. For one more question, name the rare initiator codon. Answer is the GUG codon. Name the initiator codon. Answer is the AUG codon. One more question, highly skill level questions. So here the GUG is the rare initiator codon, AUG is the initiator codon. So whenever GUG acts as a initiator codon, in case suppose AUG is absent on mRNA, GUG acts as a initiator codon, which selects valine amino acid. So because of this property, because of this explanation of genetic code is initiator. Means genetic code started by the protein synthesis started by translation process started by AUG. Very important. For two more question, extra information. So which is initiator codon? AUG. Which is the start codon? AUG. Important. Here this AUG codon performs dual functions. AUG initiator codon performs two functions, dual functions. Two functions, nothing but dual functions. Last annual examination question, last board examination question, name the or mention the dual functions of AUG codon. Say the dual functions, two important functions of AUG codon is, see, first function, it acts as a initiator codon. Easy, dead easy question. It acts as a initiator codon, first function of AUG codon. And second one is it codes methionine amino acid. Yes, AUG codon codes methionine amino acid. That is also one of the function of AUG. In genetic code-oriented triplet codon system, out of 61 sensible codons, first codon is the AUG. So that is also one of the function of AUG codon, that is initiator codon. So dual functions of AUG codon, two functions of AUG codon. it acts as a initiator codon. It selects methionine amino acid. That is the meaning for genetic code is initiator. And next to the initiator property, genetic code is terminator. Terminator. Please remember this point. Means one correlated example. One synonymous example according to our explanation. My explanation is any living organism has specifically two important properties in addition to metabolism, growth, reproduction or consistency or etc. Two important properties. One is the birth and the other one is the death. After completion of a lifespan, any organism definitely leads to death after finishing of senescence period, old age period, senescence period. Because in senescence period, in old age period, metabolic reactions, body immunity goes on fall down, decreases. Whenever body immunity and metabolic reactions decreases, there is a chance of more number of diseases, number of sickness in the living organism. That's why in the aged people, in the old aged peoples, there are number of sickness disorders, number of diseases. So after senescence period, because of sickness, any life form, any living organism definitely leads to death. And living first initiator process is the birth. Last process is the death. In between them is the lifespan, is the specific lifespan. And each and every organism has definite lifespan. That is depending upon number of species and type of species, type of given species. Means some species having more lifespan, some species having short lifespan. That is in the form of grammatical action on the Earth planet, biosphere. Like that, during protein synthesis, in the genetic code, the protein formation, polypeptide chain formation, boron initiated by initiator codon, birth by initiator codon. And after finishing of respective protein by assemblage of required number of amino acids. Required number of amino acids. For example, in functional insulin hormone, functional, never non-functional. Non-functional insulin hormone is called pre-pro-insulin. Functional insulin is the insulin. Listen here. In the functional insulin, number of amino acids are 51. 51 number of amino acids in the functional insulin. You remember, after assembly of 51 amino acids, 51 amino acids during synthesis of insulin hormone, 51 amino acids. Listen here. To terminate or to end or to stop the polypeptide chain, protein formation. See, formation of insulin hormone, synthesis of insulin hormone in the beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. The genes present in the beta cells, DNA of the beta cell containing genetic information for the synthesis of insulin hormone. Remember, during formation of insulin hormone, the ribosome present on the mRNA of beta cells shows translocation. Remember, your meaning for translocation. According to molecular basis of Ignatius topic, shifting of ribosome from one codon to another codon, one codon to next codon is called translocation. Remember, movement of ribosome from one triplet codon to next triplet codon over on the mRNA, on the surface of mRNA from 5' to 3' direction only. That is called translocation. So, whenever ribosome moves from initiator codon to terminator codon, last terminator codon, either UAA or UAG or UGA. UGA. Important. After 51st sensible codon. We remember, after 51st sensible codon is the appearance of terminator codon. As a result, tRNA assemble 51 amino acids, one after the other, by the establishment of peptide bond in between amino acids to produce insulin hormone, functional insulin hormone. Suppose if the terminator codon never appear next to the 51st triplet codon, next to the 51 triplet codon, terminator codon never appears. The ribosome shifted 51st to 52nd triplet codon or sensible codon. Then to order 52nd amino acid or 53rd amino acid, 53rd amino acid continuously. Once again, the terminator codon reached by ribosome. Important. So, whenever the formation of polypeptide chain or protein synthesis will be stopped, will be terminate, nothing but if any one of the terminator codon or non-sensible codon, non-functional codon appear on the surface of mRNA in the non-coding region of the mRNA. In terminator coding region of the mRNA, that is one of the part of eukaryotic mRNA or prokaryotic mRNA. Already we have finished in mRNA structure. So, if the terminator coding region of mRNA containing UAA or UAG or UGA, one of the terminator codon to stop the elongation of polypeptide chain. That is the meaning for genetic code is terminator. Means after protein synthesis, so elongation of polypeptide chain will terminated by, finished by, end by terminator codon. Is the meaning of a property genetic code is terminator. So its meaning is the process of translation is stopped by. The process of translation terminated by one of the terminator codon like UAA or UAG or UGA. That's why genetic code is terminator. So, a terminator codons UAA, acri, UAG, amber, and UGA, opal. UAA, UAG, UGA, acre, amber, and opal. Nicknames. One of the Khatarnak candidate present in the mRNA immediately stop the elongation of polypeptide chain because property, satisfaction property, that is genetic code is terminator. So, the initiator codon, AUG codon, provide movement signal to the protein synthesis, give movement signal, start signal to the protein synthesis, AUG, and one of the terminator codon out of 3 provide stop signal to the protein synthesis. So, any fully satisfied genetic code, very important for seat information, any satisfied fully information genetic code or triplet codons always begins with the initiator codon and ends with the terminator codon. One best example from the competitive exams. Say terminate information. Choose the meaningful genetic code. Question is the choose meaningful genetic code. Your first option is GUG, AUG, CAA, CAC, CGG. First option. Next one, GUG, UUU, UUC, GGA, GCG. Next one, AUG, GAG, GCG, GAA, GGG. Third option. And last one is the GUG, UUC, CUU, CAG, UAG. Very important. When confused, CET hint. Need information hint. So yeah, fully satisfied genetic code always begins with the initiator codon and ends with the terminator codon. So yeah, right option is the D. Because majority of students first observe the AUG is the initiator codon. AUG is the initiator codon. So out of four options, so AUG initiator codon present in the C option, okay. That is the initiator codon, AUG codon. But what about terminator codon or end codon? GGG is the functional codon, which selects glycine amino acid. Now that is the terminator codon, stop codon, non-sensible codon. That one is the sensible codon, functional codon. So your right information is the D. Fully satisfied genetic code starts with the start signal, initiated with the initiator signal AUG, and ends with the stop codon, stop signal, one of the stop codon, either UAA or UAG or UGA. That is meaning for genetic code is terminator. But already I have shared with you, in the mitochondria there are 4 terminator codons are there. One is the UAA, another one is the UGA, UAG. UAA, UAG, AGG and AGA. We remember this point. In mitochondrial cell organelle, terminator codons are 4. UAA, UAG, AGG and AGA are the terminator codons. But except in mitochondria, in all cells, genetic code occurs in the cytoplasm of cells. 3 are the terminator codons. 3 are the terminator codons. And AGG, AGA are the functional codons, so which codes arginine amino acid. Arginine amino acid. In all normal code or genetic codon system, excluding mitochondrial genetic code, AGG and AGA are the functional codons, so sensible codons, which select so arginine amino acid. But in mitochondria, these are also acts as terminator codons, but excluding UGA codon. In mitochondria, UGA codon is the functional codon, sensible codon, which selects so tryptophan amino acid. Tryptophan amino acid, lipo, similar to UGG codon. Tryptophan amino acid also selected by UGA in mitochondrial cell organelle. Is the extra information regarding about property name genetic code is terminator. And the last property, genetic code is sensible. genetic code is sensible or important. Another name, non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous. Genetic code is non-ambiguous. Very important. Never ambiguous or non-ambiguous. Are also called sensible. Means the property meaning is, listen here. One codon specified to one amino acid, not any another. Remember this point. One codon selects, specifies one amino acid, not any another. Nothing but each and every triplet codon is sensible for selection of specific amino acid, never another amino acid. Best example, listen here. UUU, UUC, UUA, UUG. First box of genetic dictionary table. First box. Here first two codons selects phenyl alanine amino acid. Second two codon selects leucine amino acid. Leucine amino acid. Here codon always sensible for selection of leucine amino acid, never to the phenyl alanine amino acid. Be remember this statement. Or UUC triplet codon always non-ambiguous or sensible for selection of specific phenyl alanine amino acid, never any another amino acid. Very important. That is meaning for property non-ambiguous. Genetic code is non-ambiguous or sensible. Means the specific amino acid means one codon always specifies nothing but to select one amino acid, never other amino acids. Similarly, AUG codon is always sensible for selection of methionine amino acid. GGG codon always sensible for selection of glycine amino acid. AAA, listen here, triplet codon or genetic code is always sensible for selection of lysine amino acid. CCC, triplet codon is non-ambiguous for selection of proline amino acid. UUU, triplet codon always sensible, non-ambiguous for the selection of or specifying of phenyl alanine amino acid, never any another amino acid during genetic code or protein synthesis. That is the meaning for property name. Genetic code is sensible or non-ambiguous. Very important. Listen here. One simple seed information already number of times appear question in previous question papers. Choose odd statement regarding about genetic code. ODD. Odd statement regarding about genetic code. Your options are genetic code, comma-less. Already I was discussed with you in number of properties. So here one of the option properties, the genetic code is comma-less. Next option, genetic code universal. Genetic code is universal. Next one is the genetic code is ambiguous. Genetic code is ambiguous. Next one is the genetic code is non-ambiguous. Unconfused options. Remember, choose the odd statement, odd property of genetic code. Among four options, first one is the genetic code comma-less, specified, and also applicable property, selected property. Genetic code is universal property, applicable property. Genetic code is non-ambiguous or sensible, applicable property. But here our statement is ambiguous. Never ambiguous or non-ambiguous. That is very important information regarding about competitive exams. So your meaning for genetic code is non-ambiguous means one codon is sensible for selection of a specific amino acid, never any another. One amino acid to specify, one codon to specify one amino acid, not any others. Is the meaning for genetic code is sensible or non-ambiguous. These are all the 6 or 7 properties of genetic code. Very important for 5 mark question, expected question. Out of 6 or 7, you must write minimum 5 properties with explanation. Not only property names with explanation will be carrying out of 4 marks. Suppose you will write only properties, you will be getting 2.5 mark. Property name half mark, brief explanation of property name remaining half mark. Totally 5 mark question, expected question, salient features or properties of genetic code. So these are all the properties of genetic code. But here important, listen here. So in the all properties of genetic code, one of the most important property is the degenerative. Already I was told to you, genetic code is degenerative form. One of the most important property among all of 6 or 7 properties. Why, sir? Next concept is there. Hypothesis is there. We remember? In the genetic dictionary, 61 are the sensible codons and 3 are the non-sensible codons. Starting from UUU codon to the GGG codon, last codon of the genetic dictionary table is the GGG codon, triple G codon, glycine amino acid selected codon. We remember? In between them, first row and last 2 columns. We remember this statement. First row, last 2 columns to appear 3 Katarna codons. First row, last 2 columns. There is organization of 3 terminator codons like UAA and UAG. First box and last box of UGE. We remember, except for these 3 triplet codons, for all 61 sensible codons present on the mRNA strand, for all 61 triplet codons, sensible codons found on the mRNA strand, tRNA carries the anticodons. For each and every specific sensible codon on mRNA, tRNA codes the anticodon. For example, if mRNA containing start signal codon AUG, tRNA containing UAC anticodon. If the mRNA containing UUU codon, tRNA containing AAA anticodon. If mRNA containing UUC codon, tRNA containing AAG anticodon. If the mRNA containing CUC triplet codon, then tRNA containing GAG triplet codon. So for each and every sensible codons on mRNA, tRNA carries particular triplet codon, anticodon, specific anticodon. You remember this point? So during protein synthesis or during translation of a polypeptide chain, normally tRNA carries specific anticodon to the codon of mRNA. We remember this statement? During protein synthesis, a normal tRNA specifies, recognizes the specific codon on mRNA. We remember this statement. But in sometimes, very important, in rare cases, we remember this statement. The common anticodon of tRNA specifies more than one codon on mRNA. I think you won't be confused present our explanation topic. Listen here. In normal protein synthesis, in normal formation of a polypeptide chain, the normal tRNA containing anticodon specifies nothing but to recognize specific codon on mRNA, particular codon on mRNA. For example, say tRNA carrying AAA anticodon. This anticodon specifies the UUU codon on mRNA, which codes phenylalanine amino acid. Similarly, if the tRNA carrying anticodon AAG, this anticodon specifies the UUC triplet codon on mRNA, which is also codes phenylalanine amino acid. So, the specific anticodon of normal tRNA recognizes the specific codon on mRNA. But in rare cases, in sometimes, listen here, the common anticodon of tRNA specifies more than one codon on mRNA. This is known as, this system, this concept is known as important Hubbell hypothesis. Extra information, I think it was not prescribed in our NCERT text material. We remember, in normal condition, in normal protein synthesis, the normal tRNA carrying anticodon specifies one triplet codon, specific triplet codon on mRNA. But in rare cases, in sometimes, the common anticodon carrying tRNA specifies more than one triplet codon on mRNA. This condition is called Hubbell hypothesis, and pairing is called Hubbell pairing. Important. It was first proposed by F.H.C. Crick. So, Hubbell hypothesis, Hubbell concept was noticed by Francis H.C. Crick, F.H.C. Crick, to prescribe the Hubbell hypothesis. Its meaning is Listen here. In sometimes, in rare cases, the common anticodon of tRNA, the common anticodon of tRNA specifies more than one triplet codon on mRNA. This condition is called Hubbell hypothesis or Hubbell pairing. Very important. Usually, the Hubbell pairing occurs on third nitrogen base. Never first or second nitrogen base, third nitrogen base to existed the Hubbell pairing. One simple example for Hubbell pairing. After listening the example, according to our expectation, you must be clearly understanding the concept of Hubbell hypothesis. Listen here. UUC are the two codons of mRNA. Listen here. UUU codon, UUC codon are the two codons of mRNA which selects phenylalanine amino acid. For these two triplet codons, according to Hubbell hypothesis, tRNA carries AAG anticodon. tRNA carries AAG anticodon by carrying phenylalanine amino acid. Please remember this statement. This condition is called Hubbell hypothesis because here, see, the pairing between UUC codon on mRNA, AAG codon on tRNA is complementary. This is complementary base pairing. For example, uracil pairs to adenine, uracil pairs to adenine, cytosine pairs to guanine. This condition is called complementary base pairing. So, second codon of mRNA, anticodon of tRNA AAG is complementary. Here no problem. Codes or selects phenylalanine amino acid. But in the first codon of mRNA, an anticodon of tRNA is non-complementary base pairing. Non-complementary base pairing. For example, here uracil pairs to adenine, complementary. Uracil pairs to adenine, complementary. But third nitrogen base is non-complementary. Third nitrogen base is non-complementary. This non-complementary base pairing is called Hubbell pairing. Hubbell pairing. That means in normally anticodon of tRNA specifies one codon of mRNA. Remember, you won't be confused. The statement or hypothesis, Hubbell hypothesis, Hubbell concept. In normally anticodon of tRNA, one anticodon of tRNA specifies codon of mRNA. But in rare cases, in sometimes the common anticodon of tRNA, same anticodon of tRNA, recognize, specifies more than one codon of mRNA. More than one codon of mRNA. This condition is called Hubbell hypothesis or Hubbell pairing. So, the statement of Hubbell hypothesis is, listen here, if the mRNA carrying more than one triplet codon for the same amino acid, the first two nitrogen bases of codon of mRNA complementary to anticodon of tRNA. The first two nitrogen bases of codon of mRNA complementary to anticodon of tRNA. But the third nitrogen base is non-complementary or unusual. This pairing is called Hubbell pairing and concept is called Hubble concept or Hubble hypothesis proposed by scientist F.H.C. Crick. So whenever the Hubble hypothesis or Hubble pairing existed, in rare cases, if the tRNA carrying common anticodon for number of triplet codons, more than one triplet codons on mRNA to exist the Hubble hypothesis, Hubble pairing. So here, Hubble pairing always occurs in third nitrogen base, never first or second. Similarly, one more example, the two codons for 7 amino acid on mRNA are AGC and AGU. The two codons, so triplet codons, so on mRNA for serine amino acid, AGC, AGU. Anticodons on tRNA for same serine amino acid are the UCG, UCG. UCG, UCG. Do you remember? The base pairing between AGC and UCG is complementary. But the base pairing between AGU and UCG is non-complementary. Yeah. In which nitrogen base to exist as a non-complementary? Third nitrogen base pair. This third nitrogen base pair is called Hubble pairing or Hubble hypothesis, introduced by F.H.C. Crick. That is the meaning for a Hubble concept or Hubble theory or Hubble hypothesis regarding about genetic code. In next class, I'll be continue the relationship between gene and genetic code by the process of concept of mutation. Already I was given in previous lesson more details of and also different types of mutations. But here mutation is the broker linked concept in between gene and DNA. How sir? The mutation existing between DNA and gene concept I will be giving in next class session.